All right, so our next pelvic stretch is going to be our single side adductor stretch. You can see me. I'm not that tall, but I'm taking up this whole video screen. So we're going to have one leg in like the butterfly, the other leg out straight. This is going to really focus in on the inner thigh muscle on this side, as well as those hamstrings. So this stretch is really good for, of course, my pregnant mamas. I'm always going to give y'all all the great stretches that are easy for you guys to do. Really, really good for back pain, really good for pelvic pain, and really, really good for opening up the hips. All right, so let's get started. What you're going to do is you're going to have one leg in the butterfly position, the other leg straight. You're going to take your hand and on that same side, and you're going to slowly reach down. We're going to be trying to keep our hips still anchored on the floor. We're going to lean forward as far as we can. You should start to feel the fascia in the back stretch. You should feel those muscles, and you should also feel it in the inner thigh. We want to hold this stretch. You guessed it, if we can, for 3 minutes. If we can't, if life is life and we can't hold it that long, that's okay. Anytime that you take to stop and nurture yourself, and I consider stretching and movement a form of self-nourishment, because we spend so much time asking our bodies to do things and we don't spend a lot of time lengthening our muscles and bringing oxygen to our muscles and letting our nervous system calm down. So anytime we're stretching, it's self-care, and so we want to try to fit it into our daily routine. Good. So again, we're going to be holding for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to do the other side. You may start to notice after you've held it for a little while, things are starting to loosen up. So always check and see as you're holding, like, can I go a little bit further? That's why if you're only holding your stretch 30 to 60 seconds, you're missing that opportunity, should I say, for additional lengthening that can sometimes happen when we're holding the stretch appropriately. So I'm able to lengthen a little bit further. Ooh, good. All right. So we're going to hold for, again, 3 minutes. Making sure we're keeping our breath nice and even, deep and intentional. Very nice. Okay, once you've held for the 3 minutes, you'll come back up. And then, of course, we want to stay balanced, so you would do the other side. Try this one out and let me know what you think.